and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to sit down and play around with some color. I know this look is in the orange family, but I really like using those colors. I love the way this look came out, and I happen to be filming this on the first day of summer, so I'm going to call this like my colorful summer look, if you will. And I know you're probably not watching this on the first day of summer because I'm uploading this the day after, and if you're watching this in the future, you're probably watching this in December. In whatever case, happy whatever day it is, and I hope you're having an awesome morning or evening. But yeah, so I wanted to sit down and play around with some color and just have fun with it. So this is the look I came up with, and if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye, and I'm taking this orange shade right here from the CoastalScents 88 Original palette. And I'm going in with a super light hand at first because this is my transitional color. I really want to be careful not to get heavy-handed and make this super bold. So I just wanted to start out with a light wash of this and build the color intensity up as I go. Now because that shade's a little more red than I would have liked, I'm going to go in with Bright Tangerine from CoastalScents, tapping out the extra and really only dipping the tips of this brush in there. I'm going to apply this right over top of that shade from the original palette, and this is really just to kind of give it that orange tint that I want. And it's going to make it a little bit more vibrant. Just going to blend that up. I'm then going to go in with a clean brush, there's nothing on here, and I'm going to buff out the top edge of that crease color. I'm then going to go in with the Vice 3 palette, and I'm taking the shade Alchemy and Bondage, and I'm just going to tap my brush back and forth between these two shades. I'm going to apply that to my eyelid. I'm then going to go into the Full Spectrum palette from Urban Decay and taking the shade right here, which is called Gossip. I'm just going to take a bit of this and pop it right over top of my eyelid just to give the colors a little bit more of a red hue. That's a great way to kind of customize different colors to create one that your ideal shade is to mix colors up a little bit. That's why I always tell you that you don't need to have these same palettes to create a look I do. Mix and match and have fun with it. I'm going to run the same color combination I did on my eyelid for my under eye. I'm going to start out with taking the shade Alchemy. And then I'm going to go in with Bondage over top of that. I'm going to go in with a black gel liner. And pop that on my bottom or my top lash line. I'm not doing anything special with the placement, I'm just doing this the way I typically would. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to go ahead and pop on my bottom waterline. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and this is Benefit's They're Real mascara. So for cheeks, I'm going to go in with this blush right here. This is Vintage Mauve from Deuce Cosmetics. And then for cheeks, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighting palette and taking the shade right here. This is called Blushing Azalea. Tongue twister. And apply that to the tops of my cheeks and on the temples, a little bit above my brow, down my nose, and on the cupid's bow. I'm going to take a small brush and take that same shade and pop it right in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to pop it on and then kind of blend it out And this is really going to bring light right into the eye. So for lips, I'm going to go in with this lip pencil. This is by Karl Lagerfeld+Model company, and I believe this is in the shade Rose. I'll have the exact name along with all the products I use down in the description box below this video, but yeah, I'm just going to use this on my lips. And I am filling my whole lip in with this. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Don't forget, like I said, there's a full list of products I use down in the description box below this video. I love you guys very, very much. I'll see you next Friday, and don't forget to always make good choices. Love you.